guys, it's Grace here at Schneider Haus, and I have a very special treat for you today. It's not a very yummy one like most of the treats that we serve. This here is an owl pellet. See, owls can't really digest things like bones and teeth and fur, so they gather them into a special organ called a gizzard. And once the gizzard is full, the owl, it throws it up. But I don't actually need these tweezers today because our owl pellets have been disinfected. Now, scientists like to use these to figure things out about owls and their habitats. They can even use them to figure out things about owls' prey. So let's see what's inside. I can already see some bones. And a lot of fur. Aha! So what I found here are some hip bones. Now, if I was a scientist, I would call this an innominate or a pelvis, but as we're just talking here, we'll call it a hip bone. And you can tell that it's a hip bone because it's got a little hole here to fit a femur. I bet if I keep digging, I can find a femur. That's a big leg bone. Nope, not that one. Aha! You can tell the femur by the bulb on the end. And I bet if I try, yep, they fit together. So this is how this rodent would walk. What else can I find in this owl pellet? Now I'm hoping, aha, I think I found one. I have found a skull. It might take me a minute to get it clean because it's full of fur right now. Now with owl pellets, you want to be very, very careful because they're delicate. The prey that they've eaten can fall apart very easily. But what I found here is a rodent skull. And I can tell this from a couple different reasons. Number one, I look right here and right here. These are the orbits of the animal. This is where its eyes are. Now, as you can see, compared to the rest of the skull, this animal's eyes are huge because it's always looking out for predators, like the owl that ended up eating it. Something else that tells us that this is a rodent is its teeth. Now, these are its incisors, and they're very, very small, but they are bright orange. Do you guys know of another rodent that has bright orange teeth? All you need to do is look to my side and see our friend, the beaver. Now, it's a much bigger rodent. I don't think an owl could have much luck eating that, but it certainly got lucky eating this rodent here. There is so much else inside this owl pellet, so I'm going to keep digging.